Good morning, gentlemen and ladies. Today is Saturday, the 9th day of January 2021. I want to do New Zealand pays analysis. Okay, I'm starting with New Zealand dollar card, NZDCAD. This is a daily chart. Okay, let me go lower. Weekly chart. Okay. This is the weekly chart. I think I have a 1 month here. I didn't save the 1 month chart. Okay. Alright. Let me get it. I want to start from 1 month, from monthly chart. NZDCAD. That's what I need to show you on the monthly chart. So on the monthly chart, yeah. On the monthly chart, I want to let you know. All we have on the monthly chart is the pay is going up, but in a slow manner. And whenever the market is moving in three waves, there's a lack of direction. You can see all we have here is W, X, Y, X, Z. So this is the top, and the market is coming down. I don't know how long it will come. Whether it will still come down here, I don't know. But I want to show you that a monthly chart has gotten a reversal from here. So it has gotten a reversal. Monthly have gotten a reversal from here, and it's coming down. It may still go lower, I don't know. So and you can see it's moving in three waves. This is 3 waves. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All is moving in 3 waves. Only the wave chart, but this is 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I cannot count it as an impulse because it was not in line with the Elliott wave theory. So what's the important is that it is going down on monthly chart. Let's go to weekly chart. On weekly chart, you can see that it's also going in 3 waves again. All I can see here is 3 waves, all the places. This is 1, 2, 3, 3 waves. In a bigger wave again, W, X, Y, in 3 waves. It's all moving in 3 waves. This is wave 1, 2, 3. 3 waves again. 3 waves. 3 waves. Then the bigger wave, A, B, C. Also in 3 waves. So it is an indication that uptrend might continue up here. So I cannot label here because I cannot label here. I can't label here because it's not clear yet whether it is an impulse or it will continue going down until it takes out this. I can see it as correction until the B wave is taken out. If B wave is not taken out, it remains a correction. But I think it will be taken out. So let's go to daily chart. On daily chart, it keep moving a kind of sideways again. All I can see is 3 waves everywhere. 3 waves everywhere. Though this can be seen as an impulse, but it's not an example of an impulse. That's why I didn't label it. We can do it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can say it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it's better to label this as WSYXZ because impulse supposed to be sharp, but as you can see, there's no sharp movement here. That's why I don't care to label it as an impulse. Okay, there's no sharp movement. That's why I didn't label it as an impulse. Okay, now let me go down to 4 hours chart. Where is it? Daily chart. 4 hours chart. Okay, on 4 hours chart, the 4 hours is where I can see something like an impulse. This is wave 1, this is wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So I can only see an example of Elliott wave theory pattern on 4 hours. And if this count is correct, it means we will see a 3-wave pullback. That's a 3-wave correction. That is A, B, C. So I'm expecting NZDCAD to come down to 89,500 area. So that's all we have on this pair. Okay, NZDCAD 4 hours again. The next NZDCHF. You can see this is a monthly chart. And the monthly chart, what is important is that the price is a kind of started moving down from here. And if you count this, it's a 5 waves: A, B, C, D, E. That is, I can say it is a WSYXZ. But I don't want to label it like that because we can still have a drop from here. But no, this is a monthly chart. So the monthly chart is just like a guide. But what is important is that this candle is like this candle. They are similar in movement. It dropped and reversed. And these candles here are very strong candles. So it will likely break this channel, and if it breaks this channel, that's when I will confirm that it is a WSYXZ movement. For now, I'll be watching what will happen here. So let's go to weekly chart. On the weekly chart, is the same thing with the monthly chart, but I labeled the weekly chart starting from here, WXYXZ. I didn't go here in details because this line have a message for us, but I will not explain everything here because I will be doing the service to those who paid to learn from me. So some things I reserve to explain to them, but I can tell you here, this line holds the key. You may have a drop from here again, or a pullback, and then it breaks. But you know it's a weekly chart. So daily chart and 1 hour chart, daily chart and 4 hours is where we focus because it is where we make our trading decision for the meantime. The monthly and weekly are to tell us what are the possibilities. Okay, you can see, as I said earlier, an impulse always look like this. An impulse is always steep and sharp like this. Whenever it's going to move sideways, it's difficult to count as an impulse. But nevertheless, If this move will be an impulse, then I might assume that this is wave 1. You can see ABC, wave 2. Then what happens determines whether I will change the count or I will count it as wave 3. If I see a sharp move like this from here, then definitely I will consider here as wave 3. And the next will look for wave 4. But for now, I'm just keep my eyes on what happens here. The 4 hours gave us a 5 waves move. In accordance with the Elliott wave theory, you can see this is a wave 1 and is an example of wave 1. Wave 2 is not a perfect wave 2 anywhere, but I can still put this 2 here. That is A, B, C, and it will be a running flat. But nevertheless, whether it is here or here, it's still wave 2. Then this is wave 3. Wave 4 again is like wave 2, not a 3-wave pullback. Correction, I mean, but it's just a pullback. Then this is wave 5. Only wave 3 is sharp. But can you see A, B, C? We have gotten a pullback, so this move will likely continue. It all depends on what happens here. If it breaks here, then I begin to count this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. But for now, here I keep my eyes on these 2 lines. If I see a sharp move, break and correction, I will buy. If it drop below here, and then I will sell. Okay. And 1 hour chart. The 1 hour chart suggests that we have 5 waves here. 5 waves here. These 5 waves is better than this because this is so confusing. The wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is not a perfect pattern of Elliott wave count, but it is 5 waves because this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, A, B, C, wave 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 5. Then A, B, C, wave the end of another wave 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after each 50 wave, we have a 3 waves pullback. So I'm expecting this can be wave A, maybe drop a bit, then give us 3 wave pullback as B, then C. The C might end here or break here. So what I'm trying to say is that we will likely have 3 wave pullback before we begin to buy. I am of the opinion that this line will be broken and the price keep going high, but we wait to see how price reacts around this line. Okay, this is the final one we are going to analyze. NZDJPY. Let me go to monthly chart. If there is anything to show on monthly chart, NZDJPY is one of the pairs I trade anyway. But for a month now, I haven't come here to trade it, and you can see this move. This move between here and here. This is an impulse. So whatever is happening here is a correction. So I don't know if we keep coming down or keep going up. I don't know yet. But this is the monthly chart. Let's go to weekly chart. On weekly chart, we can see this move is corrective. The way it's moving, and the breaking of this channel suggests that we will have a further buying. I don't want to label here, but it's just as simple as WXY. Or okay, let me label it anyway. It's an ABC. ABC, because it is a complete structure. So it is an ABC. And whenever you have this type of structure, what we follow is an impulse. Okay. So what we likely have 5 waves going up, which will maybe end here, but this line have been here for long, and it's my target before we expect a 3 wave selling. Let's go to daily. Daily, this has been long. This is wave 1, A, B, C, wave 2, wave 3, A, B, C, wave 4, and wave 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wave 5 is about to complete. Wave 5 is about to complete. So, I think we go down to wave 4. So, for our to see it in a clearer form. But as it is now, it's moving as an impulse. 1, 2, 3. This 3 might be here. When the price comes here, then I will adjust the chart properly until I see what happens here. I cannot say for sure whether wave 3 is over or not. But let's go to 4 hours. On 4 hours, this is where I projected wave 4 to end, but it didn't come this low. Rather, it ended above it. So I expected a zigzag, but it's almost a flat. Anyway, it's still a zigzag because this is A, B, C. Okay, but it didn't meet up the target. It's still yet a zigzag. Okay, now see with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5 is 3 of this one, and this is A, B, C, which is 4. And after this, we are looking for another 5 waves, which I can label like this. I can label this like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But it is so squeezed. It did not no gap anywhere, no gap. So this wave 5 can be wave 3. So this can be, all this can be part of wave 3. All this can be part of wave 3. But as price keeps going up, we will know the next thing to do. Let's go to 1 hour. In 1 hour, okay, the wave 5 might be over. It might be over because if you look, it is also in 5 waves. The sub waves is also 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And according to Elliott wave theory, each impulse wave, we have 5 sub waves inside it. And perfectly, this 5th wave has 5 sub waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But sometimes wave 5 may decide to extend. In case of extension, it will break this top and keep going up. So it would be out of order if it breaks it and keep going up. So because all this can be wave 3 or 5. So I'll stop here. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share our video, make comment, ask your questions. If you want to learn how we do what we do, if you need the knowledge, contact me. The link will be here. You also join my Telegram channel where I drop free trades, free analysis for my subscribers. Yesterday we made much profit on gold, Euro USD, and other pairs that drop freely. So join our Telegram channel. If you want to learn, my charges is too small. Anybody can bear my charges, and I assure you I will give you the knowledge you need to grow in this business. God bless you. Trade with care. Don't overtrade. Use stop loss. Let your loss size be in proportion with your equity. Thank you and God bless you.